Hi Jazza-belles, welcome back to my channel where we talk about beauty, fashion, and vegan recipes. Today I have another recipe for you. We have vegan veggie frittata made out of chickpea flour. That's right folks, this frittata is totally vegan and it's super easy to make. So let's get to the recipe.
Okay, so we're going to start off with our vegetables. I'm using bell pepper, red onion, tomato, and zucchini. And we're going to add 1 1/2 cup of chickpea flour, 1/2 cup of canned coconut milk, 1/2 cup of water. We're going to add a little black pepper and salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of black salt, 1/2 cup of nutritional yeast, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And we're going to mix this up just like so. Alrighty, so coming up next, we're going to cook our vegetables. All the vegetables except for the tomatoes, and we're going to saute this for about 5 minutes. Towards the end, I'm going to add black pepper and salt to taste. Now also, make sure you're using a oven-safe skillet because we're going to add this to the oven. Okay, so pour in your mixture and start to arrange your tomatoes in whatever design that you want them to be in. And I just added some extra vegetables here on top just to look nice. Okay, we're going to add this into the oven at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. And there you go, this super delicioso dish right here. I hope you enjoy.
I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you do, make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can always stay tuned with what I do. It's been another episode and we have to say our goodbyes. But like I always say, stay happy, stay healthy, and always stay you, my friend. Bye.